Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to add Notion widget. Why do you want to know how to add Notion widget? Well, maybe you don't know how to do it, right? No worries guys, I will show you how to add Notion widget easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written in section there. So first of all, you have to just log in into your Notion here, and if you want to add a widget, so basically you have to just go to a website which is called indify.co, right? And here you have to log in, you have to make an ID here and just click on add new widget, right? And basically after that you can add your widget here easily, right? So there are so many features and so many ways where you can just add it, and this is it, right? So these are almost free. So if I just try to, for the clock, so if I just clock here and here, I will just write a title and just click on the continue. So it will just automatically add it. So this is the widget guys, and this looks so minimalistic, so cool, right? So there you go. If you want to know how to add Notion widget, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know any another way how to add Notion widget, just leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.